All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol CLX Clorox Co. And before we jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. If you are a first-time viewer, I do want to say welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. I hope you guys find it helpful and informative. And for all my viewers that have already subscribed or are prospecting to subscribe, I do want to say thank you to you guys for joining in and supporting, always commenting down below each other's questions and just feedback and so forth. I really encourage that and appreciate that. And for those of you that have subscribed already and you are my subscribers, just double check if you've hit the bell so that you can get notified on when I post daily videos, whether this is a stock that you're in or not. All my videos could be beneficial to you because there could be information that you may have overlooked, missed, and so forth. I mean, I'm posting videos daily on different ticker symbols, posting videos on stocks that could potentially have potential in the next coming days and weeks and months. I post videos on the stock market overall and the dates that the Fed is going ahead and pumping the market and the effect that these pumps have on the market. So definitely make sure you hit that bell so you can get notified and you won't miss a single video. Let's jump into this chart. So the first thing is I chose to do a video on Clorox. I know that this is a hefty uh, ticker symbol here. I mean, each stock is 236.51, but in every stock that is having a bullish run, there is potential to make money. I mean, if we go back and look at this, I mean, look at this. This is just, it doesn't even fit on the chart. You gotta like scroll down and like level it out and look and then come back and go even more down. It's just insane. But I'm coming down here for a reason and I want you guys to see something. So on the 30th of April, right, 29th and the 30th, the previous earnings of this stock was on May 1st, right? And it caught people by surprise. Estimate was 1.67 and it reported 1.89. And this was the effect of the stock's earnings if it went positive, right? It went from 182 all the way up to 197. If we do the math, that right there is a total of about $15 jump. It fell back down to 191, so it lost about a total amount of like $6, right? But then it had a bullish run again and it went from 191 all the way up to 204. But if you really think about it, from 204, it came from 181 to 204 for those that held. And then this bullish run just continued to newer highs. It fell back down. But if you go ahead and zoom out, this has been a bullish run throughout the whole process. I mean, this has just been in an upward direction since then. And look at all of this that I have to go through to get back to where we're at today. Obviously, some people may have hold, all of them didn't hold, but what I wanted to show you guys was the potential earnings of about $20 to $30 in the following days after those earnings reports went well, right? So the reason why I'm here is I want us to look at the resistance level and the support on this stock and go ahead and look at the potential that this stock could have due to the fact that earnings is coming up, right, on August 3rd. That is Monday. That's something to keep in mind. We're here on the 31st today. Tomorrow's the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd. So I want to do this video ahead of time so you guys can do your own due diligence and research. But let's go ahead and look at this. So the first thing is 238 is the resistance level. If that can be broken through and used as support, this stock can start to go to newer highs. This is a newer high. I think this is the highest high this stock has had, in the last 52 weeks. I mean, the 52-week period, the lowest was 144 and 238 was the highest between the 52-week range. So just think about that for a second. This is at its highs, and it could just reach higher and newer highs if earnings is beat. And earnings is expected to be 1.99. That's literally 0.10 more than what the previous um, earnings actually was, right? So earnings before was about 1.6 and some change, and it actually turned out to be 1.89. This time it's actually estimated to be 1.99. And the expectations of many investors, as you can see throughout the days, they've been loading up on stocks and keeping this one in an upward direction, are expecting this one to probably even surpass it as well. Just think about it. How much Clorox has probably been bought at your house or in your family members' houses or anybody you know. And just in these times, Clorox is in demand. So 238 is the resistance level. If that can be broken and used as support, this can start to continue a bullish rally. I wanted us to look at the previous amount that the stock went up, which was between $15 to $20, just to have a rough idea of what could happen in the short term between Monday and the upcoming days. And another good thing is earnings is on Monday, and the Fed is going to pump sometime that week after Monday. And I'm going to do a video on that tomorrow. So that's another great news. And this is a American company that definitely is probably benefiting from these pumps. So keep that in mind as well. These pumps are helping a lot of American companies throughout the process. And even without the pump, this is just having a lot of investors highly encouraged to be part of it. On the other hand, the support level is 233.66. If this breaks through that, obviously it's going to newer lows again, and the bears are reappearing on this one and bringing it down closer to the 50-day moving average, which the 50-day moving average is 231.85. Now, will that happen? I highly doubt it. I mean, a lot of investors are holding and they're really encouraged. And if you just look at how I have to scroll down, I mean, this is just in an upward direction the days before. And usually when people are loading up on stocks before the earnings, they feel good about it. So I highly doubt that earnings will be negative compared to what is expected, right? So we'll have to keep a close eye on this one, on how it plays out. As long as it stays above 50-day moving average, it uses the support, even if it gets close to it, and works its way back up to break through this resistance level. This could hit newer highs, and the bullish run can continue. Very interesting enough. This stock has had a bullish run, and right now we're at its highs, and this earnings may just take this to the next level. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful. For those of you that didn't even know about Clorox or overlooked it or just weren't sure because of the size of how much each stock share costs, I mean, $1 of positive earnings is $1 of positive earnings. So do your due diligence. See if you get encouraged or if you see these charts to be attractive to you in your own investing decisions. Do your own research. I'm not here to tell you to buy or sell. I'm just here to share this insight with you guys, and I'm giving you guys the points of reference to turn to on how this one reacts. So I hope you guys found this informative. Once again, you guys find this helpful and share this with your friends and community, and let's make some money. Thank you for watching.